Want your lips inspired with a joyful smile, but left me wondering, must I run away to fulfill my dreams when all I need is tranquility? It's the lips that spoke as the yarns they were spun, but who will weave them to clothe me? All the time I sit at the spinning wheel, feeding raw cotton with